Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. Hyt is back! In February 2021, Hyt went into liquidation. According to Hyt, since the end of 2020, Hyt has worked on reorganizing its financing to survive the pandemic. However, due to the blockage from institutional shareholders on its capital increase, Hyt has not been able to raise the funds it was looking for. Hence, the inevitable move of bankruptcy was awaiting. I bet when the news was announced, many went frantic about it because of one's admiration of the technology and the disbelief in the vanishing of one of the most luxurious brands. Well, fear not, patrons, Hyt is back. In November 2021, it is announced that KTS, which is Kairos Technology Switzerland SA, came riding on a white horse and acquired all of Hyt's assets. The legacy and long-term development of the brand continues to live on thanks to this white knight. David Serrato has been appointed as the new CEO to spearhead this relaunch. He is a watchmaking veteran with key contributions to brands such as Panerai, Tudor, Montblanc, and Minerva. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty confident of the brand already. You know, many who actually went through a near-death experience, they tend to come back different, stronger, more vigilant, and has a different aura in life. Well, same goes with this brand, now that they've got a second chance. If you ever get a second chance in life for something, you've got to go all the way. Lance Armstrong said that. In the last 18 months, there were a lot of changes in the watch market. As brands like Rolex, AP, and Patek became more and more difficult to attain, patrons began to look elsewhere, and that started with the independent brands. The novelty, exquisite quality, and limited rendition began to be noticed. That is why a lot of these independents no longer gives discount, and the demand on them continues to soar. People tend to want things that they can't have. Oh, Hyt is definitely going to make a comeback with this second chance, especially when no one else uses liquid to tell time, let alone have any form of liquid in their timepiece. Talk about one of its kind. The second chance here also applies to you. This is now your opportunity to get your hands on this novelty if you've missed it in the past. This watch is really cool. If you've missed my review of this watch, the link to that video is in the description below. As for those who have recently gotten a Hyt, rest assured that KTS will honor the 5 years warranty and all after-sales services prior to their acquisition. You will probably be glad to know whichever Hyt you may have, it is now considered to be a limited edition piece. This is because it is announced that in order to present their new identity of the brand, as well as a new expression of the design, there will be a launching planned in January 2022. Chances are, there are going to be some changes in the designs and it's probably going to be called KTS instead. What do you think? Is there going to be a name change? Are past Hyt's gonna be more in demand now since they are now limited edition? Are you excited about the relaunching of the brand? Do let us know in the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.